Standard Line Tools is one of the world's leading providers of automotive and industrial tools, supplies, and equipment.
What's going on, everybody? This is Hawk from Hawk Speed and Custom. Got some McNeil Racing fiberglass fenders today. Put together a little bit of video. 2006 Chevy 2500HD. Did a 408 stroke motor with an LSA blower and a bunch of other mess. We're going to do a solid axle conversion on this. There's not really anything out on the internet for what we're going to talk about, and this is going to help out the guys over at McNeil Racing because they were talking about getting some pictures and this and that. So we're just going to speed up the process a little bit and show you guys what we got going on. So this is the inner fender structure went back into the truck. Cold in Arizona right now. So, the inner fender is back in there. It's been trimmed. The inner fender liner is in the truck again. This is only temporary, so we can get some fitment issues taken care of. It's all self-tapped, big flat screws tied into the original inner fender, and that's currently the fender fitment of what's going on. So, well. Truck's going to look like. Take this thing apart. So we take the inner fender, battery box gets disconnected, a bunch of brackets and stuff that all gets tied together with the fuse block. Inner fender comes off, and this is the point where we're going to get to what this actual video is about. This is that fender taken off the truck, and these are the spot welds that go across the top of the fender to the inner fender support. If you want to leave your bump stops in for your hood, then I'm going to show you what I would do if I wanted to leave those in. Is you're going to take the saw or whatever it is that you're using to cut and just run a line across the top of this. Here, this is connected with body bond agent, and then as well inside of the hole there's a styrofoam piece that this crap, which is for sound deadening and for air. So we're going to cut the bottom of this off because this and the fiberglass doesn't work together, and then we're going to draw a line here, and we're going to follow this. Essentially it's a crease right here. We're going to follow that with our cutoff wheel, and then on the front we're going to as well cut a couple of those pieces. So put the time lapse together so you guys can see what we're talking about. So, safety equipment. I got nitrile gloves on today because we've been messing with the fiberglass. This is the tool of choice for me. It's just an angle grinder with a cutoff wheel on it, and safety mask, glasses, whatever it is you got laying around. That way you can carry your eyes. You only get one pair, so you want to take care of them as best you can. So anyway, we're going to rip the top of this fender apart, and then we're going to change the camera angle. After we do the top, we're going to come down here, across the back side, and then I'll turn the fender over. And so if you're not going to use the bump stop for the hood, then take a drill bit and then drill out all the spot welds. You can see all these little spots right here. Drill out the spot welds, and then cut this piece right here. Cut this bottom piece right here, as close to the side as you can, and then we're going to skin the inside of this as well. So now this fender is loose, and you just pry it up. That glue is that, and that actually did not have any styrofoam in it right here. So that's all there is to it. It's the fender. Now the rest of it is just trim as you need it to be trimmed here, or you can cut this back even further if you're not doing a lift on the truck. And now the fender will bolt back onto the inner fender structure. Will line back up onto the truck like you want it to, like you need it to. You can bolt the fuse box in and have a core support mounting mechanism as well without having to build a cage.